that. We're about to mix together our mixture of 1 cup of lukewarm water mixed with 1 teaspoon of borax with our other mixture of 1 cup of clear school glue mixed with 1 cup of water. I want to see if it's actually going to work. It's supposed to make slime. This is going to be clear slime, so go ahead and pour it. Stir it together. Oh, look at that. It actually works. Wow, that turned into like one solid piece. That's amazing. It actually worked. Well, now you know how to make slime quickly. 1 teaspoon of borax mixed with 1 cup of lukewarm water. Stir it up real well until there's no more granules of borax and it's completely dissolved. Pour that together with a mixture of 1 cup clear school glue with 1 cup of water. That looks like slime to me. You could like form it, right? Wow, check that out.
This is water.
It's one of the coolest slimes I've ever made, which is why I wanted to show everybody how to do it. Let me know if you try it.